Hi, I'm Stephanie Kozlerich with the Stephanie K Group at eXp Realty. Today, we're bringing you our newest listing, this stately 4-bedroom, 3-bath brick beauty. Built in 1920, this home is exploding with charm and character of the turn of the century. We cannot wait to show it to you, so let's go take a tour today. When you first walk into this gorgeous home, you're gonna see in the vestibule that you have hexagon-shaped tiles. Coming in even further, this huge foyer and this grand staircase. There are so many other things I love about this house, like this massive living room, a formal dining room. There's so many other features from 1920 that have been kept in this home, but you have newer windows, so it's less maintenance. Anyway, there's so many more things to go show you, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for coming along with us today. We hope you enjoyed this tour as much as we did. You know, I'm sitting out here out front of the house, and I literally 3 houses down can see Vanderveer Park. There's so much to offer. You're also close to St. Ambrose University and Palmer College of Chiropractic, and just in the heart of restaurants and shopping. This is such an amazing house and it's such a great opportunity. So if you want a private tour today, make sure you reach out and set a showing. I'm Stephanie Kozlerich with the Stephanie K Group at eXp Realty, and we will see you soon.